Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, we will talk about Alice, BNB, we will talk about some of the altcoins. So make sure to watch the video till the end to get the free signal and to get to know about the key levels. If you haven't subscribed the channel by now, do make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if this video gives you any information and if you make any money out of it, do make sure to show your love in the comment section. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, we are watching out on an hourly basis Bitcoin chart, and we were the earliest one who had catch the pattern of inverse head and shoulder pattern in the Bitcoin. But what happens in the market if most of the people are watching out the chart the way one is looking, like the 90% of the people, if they are watching the same thing, then it's very hard for the crypto market to work it that way, because crypto always gonna work the other way around. Whatever you are expecting the least from crypto or expecting the least from that coin is gonna happen with that one. So this is how the market reacts. Going ahead, Bitcoin, after giving us a breakout in the premium family, we made a 5.58% profit. And with that profit, with just 10x leverage, you have made 55% of your profit. And we put our stop losses in the profit zone and we made a good profit out of it. Now, what is the thing that we are watching out is we have this descending trend line that is acting as a support as of now. If we break this level, we're surely going to drop down to our old lows. That could be anywhere around 18,000 to 17,000. So this is the area we need to look for a long, okay, with the stop loss right below it if anybody is willing to. So this is going to be a very risky setup, and the volume in the BTC is very low, so I would not gonna much of a recommend to take an entry. We already had made an entry in the premium family, but what I'm watching out right now is a low volume, and with the low volume we should avoid this setup. So going ahead with the next one that I will talk about is going to be AVAX. Let me show you. So AVAX is also on a support if I get you on a higher time frame. So what we see over here is that AVAX has been in a downtrend for a very long time, and it's now making a retest over the from the downtrend channel. So as it's making a retest, we can see a pump from this level, or otherwise if we break this level, let me show you the level. If we break this level, we're surely gonna dump down to back to old lows, and which eventually gonna hit our stop loss. But what if we get a rise back up from this level? So if you're looking for an entry, this could be a good entry in AVAX, but it remains at a high risk. Okay, if you're looking for an entry, let me give you a price label. This is gonna be a perfect entry. The last video I made, I informed you in that section that if anybody is looking for a long, they can do it here, and many people made a long and they made a good profit out of AVAX already. Now it's making a retest again. I have shared this signal to my premium family. Those who are willing to take the signal, they can do it, but do make sure market sentiments are very bearish and anything could happen. It depends on how the Bitcoin is reacting on the support. So if you're trying to make an entry, it's going to be the safest entry at 17.33, and if it breaks right below it, you can close the entry. And if it's consolidating, let me show you. If it's consolidating over here and then it may can rise, but if it gives a breakdown, then surely you can close your entry. Okay, going ahead with the next one, I will talk about Ethereum, because I informed you this signal in the last video, and that gave us 17.77% in a spot. All targets were being hit. We are making this video a little late because market has been very boring and there's nothing new in the market. So we have caught the bottoms, and you can see this was if you go check my last video, you can see that we have taken exact entry over here. Okay, so it was a pretty good high, which gave us a 17.77% profit. With just 10x, it's going to be 170% profit. Coming up with the next signal that I just provided you in the free channel and in the premium, that's going to be band. So band is right now trying to break out. Okay, try to give a wick about it, but if we had got a 1 hourly closing about it, it would be more bullish. We haven't got that yet, but yes, I'm expecting a rise from band because it's been inside a falling wedge. And what the falling wedge is, it's a bullish pattern. And last time I provided you this signal, it went completely as I predicted, and just after I provided signal in the premium family, it just hit our all targets. It was a scalping signal and it hit our target. We just exited the trade with a huge profit. Again, it's giving us a good opportunity by staying inside the falling wedge. Even if it doesn't give a breakout right now, I believe it can also consolidate here and then it can give a breakout. It all depends on the sentiment from the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is performing well, yes, we can see a good rise in the altcoins as well. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is XTZ, because I also informed you this signal. And so what we are watching out right now is, see, it's been all the time, whenever it comes to this particular level, it gives a bounce. When it comes here, it gives a bounce. When it comes here, it gives a bounce. Now what we are watching is, we are watching out a breakout from a higher highs. Now it had made a higher low. If we go out in a 4 hourly time frame, it making a retest. We just need 4 hourly closing below the trend line. If we get a confirmation, if we get this closing below this level, surely our target's gonna hit pretty much, and it's gonna give us a good amount of profit. So this was all about it. And let me show you one more thing. I have got an article from the Forbes magazine. I also shared this article with you guys on our channel. So this guy is a FTX owner, and let me just read you out what the article says. Backman fired warns some crypto exchanges already secretly insolvent. So he's trying to inform that many ventures like the money management, the ventures who do the money management had got liquidated, like the 3CA Capital, 3AC Capital, I'm sorry. And he's also talking about Luna. If you want, you can go through with this article. He's informing that nearly 2 trillion in the crypto market value has been evaporated since November. To bellwether digital asset Luna, a 40 billion crypto asset associated with Terra USD, a 16 billion stable coin designed to maintain parity with the US dollar, have collapsed. Earlier this month, Bitcoin traded for below $20,000, is the lowest level since December 2020. You can also go out through the whole article, as it's also informing about the 3 Arrow Capital. It's a venture which it's for the ones who have a lot of money. Like if you are a big investor, you cannot just keep on having your all eyes on the crypto industry, or you have multiple things to do. So such type of people who have a lot of money and they need to invest, these type of institute, they do the money management for these people. But what is happening right now in this bear market, they are getting liquidated. Celsius, 3AC. So this is a lot of FUDs, a lot of things coming out inside the market, maybe to drag down the price much lower. Okay, so just stay cautious in this market, and if you are getting profit in any zone, do make sure to grab it, because it can go other way around anytime. Okay, so this was all about it, and do make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to show your comments in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.